Okay, now we are at question 22. I hope you have already tried it. Okay, so question number 2 itself, same thing. You will have a question. 2 sine 2y minus 3 cos y. Here you will see actually two triple terms. One is sine and one is cos. And the worst thing is you will see there is actually 2y and y. So this one obviously is telling you that I have to convert the 2y, sine 2y to become maybe cos y or something y. So I need to apply my double angle. So for sine 2y, there's only one possibility, so I'll just do a swap first. So I'll leave my range alone in case I need to find the range for 2y, which I'm not sure yet. Okay, so I'll just write down the equation. Okay, so here the first step is simply just to do our conversion first. Okay, so you write this as 2 sine y cos y. Okay, this one, we will just do our simple expansion where you will get this equation. Okay, so now we have all y's already. But the thing is now I still have sine y and cos y as well as just cos y. So I can't do this unless I'm able to factorize it out so that it can become maybe two different equations. For this case, do you realize that A actually has a cos y here and a cos y here? Meaning, I can actually do this thing called factorize. So once I factorize out this, I will get 4 sine y minus 3 equals to 0. And here, you see, voila. Isn't this just zero product? So if just zero product, it means to say that I can write this as cos y equals 0 or 4 sine y minus 3 equals to 0. Students who are faster can see that I can just make it into this form here. Okay, now we know that we're actually searching for y. So it means to say the range that I need is actually only y. So let me fill this up. So I don't have to find more range. I'll just know that y is within the range of one cycle here. Okay, so now once we have this right, let's do side by side. Okay, the one equation first. So next step, of course, we'll find what is the reference angle. Okay, cosine inverse 0 for this case. Okay, before we start, always check. This one is in degree mode, right? Is my calculator in degree mode? It is, right? Please make sure your calculator is also in degree mode. So cosine inverse of 0, you get a very nice value called 90 degree. So I write in 90 degree here. Okay, and then let's continue on with this, whereby the next step is, of course, to identify the quadrant here. So to identify the quadrant, similarly, we will treat 0 as a positive value. Okay, so which quadrant of cosine will give you a positive value? I hope you can see it's A and C again, which means first quadrant will just be my reference angle. Second quadrant will be my fourth quadrant will just be my 360 minus reference angle. Okay, before I move on, take note because this is y, I already has y is equals to. Okay, be very careful with that. So I need first quadrant and my fourth quadrant here. We'll pull it up. Okay, it means to say I need 90 degree and the other one will be 360 minus 90, which is 270 degree here. Okay, so that's all for my left hand side. Do I need to go one cycle more? If you plus the 360 or minus the 360, you can see from there that that's all for the range for this case. Now, let's work with the equation on the right hand side. So similarly, we'll find reference angle for this is just sine inverse of 3/4 here. So in our calculator, we just do sine inverse of 3/4. This time we will not get a nice number. Okay, 48.5904. 48.5904. Okay, is that true? 5904, yes. Okay, so with this, right, do remember, because the number is quite ugly, it means to say I will have to use it many times. For this, I will just store my memory first. Okay, now next part. Same thing, I will identify my quadrant here, ASTC. Okay, is it too big? ASTC. Okay, what is the quadrant it will be if my sign of the side for sign to be positive? So I hope you can see first two quadrant here, meaning to say is simply just my reference angle and 180 minus reference angle here. And similarly, this is y, right? So it will still be y is equals to. But something that's different is this is first quadrant. Okay. First quadrant and second quadrant. So I'll have the first answer has, okay, since it's y, right, I don't have to do any more manipulation. I can actually leave my answer in 1 dp as well. 6 degree, and of course using my calculator, I'll take 180 minus recall memory. I got 131.4 degree. Okay, do take note that it's degree means answer in 1 dp. Since my answer is all over the place, right, I must have a final answer here to make it neater. So my final answer will be y is equals to, in ascending order, 48.6 degree, 90 degree, 131.4 degree, and finally 270 degree. And that's your final answer. Okay, class. Still is quite similar. So question 23 will also be similar using different double angle. So please try question 23 on your own if possible. And then after that, look at the next video to see the answers. Bye.